Welcome to Burlap Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to remove Camaro spoiler full guide. Start by parking on level ground and disconnecting the battery for safety before touching connectors. Cover nearby panels to avoid scratches and assemble a 10mm socket, trim tools, and a helper. Clear debris and inspect fasteners so you know what to remove first. Work patiently and test each step before full removal to keep bodywork pristine and avoid surprises. Prepare tools and a plan so the removal goes smoothly and safely. Lay out a 10mm socket, trim tools, soft rags, and masking tape for paint protection. Have a helper ready to support the spoiler during final loosening to prevent sudden drops. Keep bolts and clips organized by location so reassembly is straightforward. Work methodically and avoid rushing to protect paint and fasteners. Start inside the trunk by removing trim panels to reveal the mounting bolts and wiring harness. Label connectors and disconnect the wiring before loosening bolts. Have a helper hold the spoiler as you back out each bolt to prevent sudden drops. Lift the spoiler straight up once all fasteners are removed and check for adhesive or sealant that may need gentle prying. Clean mating surfaces before installing a replacement or resealing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.